So this question is a diagram question. Any question that provides some visual input, I'm going to call a diagram question. What we have here more specifically is a graph. In fact, it's a linear graph, right? So anytime I have a linear graph, I like to pay attention to the intercepts. Looks like this graph goes through the origin, right? So it has both an x and y intercept that is through the origin. I could also very easily find the slope here if I wanted to, but let's see what the question is actually asking us to find. So the graph of function f is shown where y equals f of x. The question goes on to say, which of the following describes function f? All right, so these questions pop up every so often. This is just a linear versus exponential question, and then increasing versus decreasing as well. So in terms of increase versus decrease, our graph is obviously increasing as we go to the right. It's going up. So I'm going to get rid of all the decreasing answers. And then second of all, it's definitely linear, right? How do I know it's linear? Well, it has a slope. That slope is going to be the same regardless, right? We can also just tell that this is a straight line as well. But it's linear because, really, let's focus on the visual. It's linear because of the straight line that's there, right? So that is why it's linear. If it were exponential, it would look more curved and kind of accelerate its growth towards the right hand side of this, and that's definitely not happening here. So our answer here is increasing and linear, choice A.